rail fans, it's time to relax with some train fun. I'm Deanne from Railfan Depot, and today we go back in time to see a real wood burner. As always, information about this video is in the description below.
Pentrex is proud to bring you a special look at the Eureka and Palisade number 4 on the Durango and Silverton. The Durango and Silverton narrow gauge railroad is located in the Rocky Mountains of southwestern Colorado. Operating on the former Denver and Rio Grande branch line, the Durango and Silverton is a popular narrow gauge tourist railroad. The Eureka and Palisade number 4 was trucked into Durango from its home in Las Vegas, Nevada, on one lowboy, with the tender on another. After considering the use of a tractor to push the 4 off the turntable, it is decided to push her off by hand. 11 men, including the Eureka and Palisades crew and some of the Durango and Silverton staff, lean into it and shove the little 21-ton locomotive into the roundhouse. Job well done, men. Now it's time to prepare the Eureka for service. Journal boxes are filled with oil, the tender filled with water, as the extensive brass on the loco is polished and boiler jacket wiped down. The number 4 crosses the Animas River and heads up the valley. At Home Ranch Siding, rail enthusiasts gather with cameras to record the passing of the San Juan Express, a special charter run for a railfan group. The little 440 is right at home as it races northward on the flat track in the valley at Hermosa. Listen to her take on Hermosa Hill. Rockwood was the site of the first woodpile on the Durango and Silverton. Like a Hollywood star, the Eureka has many camp followers to help pass the wood. Today, George Lavicott is directing the job of stacking the tender high for the run up the canyon. Train number 461 pulls into Rockwood. There really is a size difference. After a brief stop, the big K-36 eases out, headed for the famous High Line. Then we are off through Rockwood Cut and onto the High Line.
Hit subscribe to see our train videos. Click the bell to get notifications from YouTube when we have new train videos. Do me a favor and hit like if you liked this video. And leave a comment. We always look at comments.
400 feet below, the Animas River thunders away.